Good evening, everyone. My name is Kit Hermoso, and today I'll be discussing the social director works and skills. Social directors is usually the event planners, or they are the one who creates recreational activities and a friendly atmosphere on board. And usually, social directors they are not only assigned in a cruise ship, but they can also be assigned in the parties, bars, and etc. And social directors creates a community building and coordination in the platform, so they can manage the people freely, and they create a acquaintanceship on each passenger, and they introduce our new arrivals to the other passenger, so they can have a acquaintance and a friendly trip on the cruise ship. And they are also the senior or the high ranking in the cruise ship, and they also known for their entertainment and social event works. I thank you.